Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I drove one of these up and down the Pacific Coast Highway.
Yeah?
Which was a lot of fun, yeah.
Yeah, I love this car.
Got it. Alright, so I like to sacrifice this first apex a little bit in order to get real tight down on the second apex.
Go wide?
Yep, wide on the first one, tight on the second one.
Okay.
Just try to use all the track. Seems like feedback that I'm giving to everyone.
Alright.
Good, wide and tight down on the second one, perfect. Turn back, make sure you get this apex here. Let yourself track out, get the second apex straight as possible through here. Stay left, now cut in, straighten it out as much as possible, straight through. Good, get this apex, stay high on the bank, looking for those two cones on the right hand side, but all the way down to those two cones on the right hand side. Break in a straight line, let yourself track out, tight on this apex here. Perfect. And brake. Hey, that's not bad. I'm happy with that.
Hell yeah. Woo, that felt good.
Yeah? That one felt good?
Yeah.
Good.